Thank you. So my name is Alphonse, and I'm going to take us through some of the features that we've revamped on the new Mybigorder platform. Decided to do some bit of tweaking of the platform to make it be able to serve a seller better. So that's what we are going to run through in this session. So to do that, I'll open the platform itself, the Mybigorder platform. So once you're on your browser, still the domain is the same, mybigorder.com. So while you are on mybigorder.com, you are able to find a number of stuff. All the categories are now here. You can find them on this link here. If you're not yet a seller, you can register here. And then in case you have blogs that you like to post from your business, you can have them here. And then the other things are the ones that have been there on the platform. So what's really new is number one, we have the categories here. So for all the categories, once you go to the category section, you have a chance to be able to sell or to run a promotion under your particular categories. So you can run a promotion under your particular category. That is, if you have something you'd like to advertise to all the people who come to the platform, you are able to do that. And I'll just show us from one sample. So like here, there's an ad place on top of this. You're able to run your ads just in case you have something that you'd like to push within the brand. Initially, we did not have the categories. When you click on the categories page, the subcategories images. So we have them there, making it easy for a customer to be able to find your products in a particular category. So what is this that is very new that makes us call you for this meeting? So we've done a number of stuff. One of them is looking at ways in which you're able to sell more or have your products that are on Pulse City to reach out to more people. And to do that, I'm going to go through the registration because there's a change here on the registration, which allows you, when you want to sell on the platform, that you need to indicate your country first. So I would urge those who already have accounts to go back and just make sure that these fields are correctly put. So put in the country where your business is located, then also put in the county where it's located, if it's in Nairobi, for example, and then you choose in the nearest place. So these things were not there before. Why it's important for you is because we are able to focus or push your products to a particular category which are going to show us and then be able to reach out to more people. So when you have an account and you've already registered as a seller, we have a new seller's account. So I'll just do that. I'll just sign into a demo account. So I'll log into a demo account. So that's when you log into your account with your username and password. In case you forgot it, you can be able to always reset your username and password. So once you're logged in as a seller, you have your seller dashboard, which has all the tools you need to sell online. Now, when you are on the platform, we've also built a mobile app for sellers. We built a complete mobile app for sellers. So when you go on Play Store, you'll be able to find Mybigorder Sellers app. So what we've done basically is make it such that you can use only one app. That's the innovation behind it, that you can use only a single app to manage every aspect of your business just from a single app. So that's what I'll show us. iPhone. Yeah, that's what I'm going to show us. So when your products are listed on Mybigorder, sorry. One minute. I hope we can still see my screen. Okay. Yeah. So when your products are on Mybigorder, there is now a chance your account will look like this once you're logged in. So you'll see here your seller ID. So we give every seller on the platform, you'll be able to see your seller ID. So with this ID, you can use it to map your products on other platforms that we've also built where you're able to get more customers. So what it means is when you upload your products on Mybigorder, you can have those products be shown on other platforms that you've done, but you don't need to upload again the details on that particular platform. So I'll run us through it. So to begin with here, the products, when you're managing your inventory, you are able to add the products, or you can do a bulk upload. You can do a bulk upload from an Excel if you have products on Excel. The same process of uploading the products is the same. Bulk upload is from Excel. You're able to upload them. And then you can also add digital products and see all your product reviews from there. Now, when you are uploading a product, let's say if it's a single product, by clicking on add product, there are several things that you are able to do. One of them is this part here, where we have, this is what was not there, the external link, which is under the product price plus stock. So we say now, in case you want your products, if you want your customers to WhatsApp you directly, you can make a decision and choose. If you want your customers to WhatsApp you directly, we can push for you a WhatsApp lead on your own account. And what you'll need to do in such a case is just to come here to external link. That is if you don't want them to buy on our platform. If you don't want them to completely buy on our platform, then you can just come here and put in the link of your WhatsApp. So it can be the profile of your WhatsApp, and then you come here and post the link button. So if you want, like to say, chat me on WhatsApp, etc., you can be able to do that. And I'm going to give us a sample. So I want to edit this product here. Let's just confirm if you can hear me. Everyone, are we together? I'm too fast. Let me know. Anyone? Are we together? Can you guys hear me? Hello, can you hear me? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yes, yes, you can hear you.
Okay. Yeah, so I was saying when you log into your account, like where I am in right now, uploading a product is the same, but now we've added the bulk upload where you can upload from Excel if you have your products in Excel. Now, I want to give us an example of this product here and how you can modify it so that you can choose whether you want to receive your products, to receive your orders through the platform itself, or you like your orders to be received if you like them to be received, like you want all your inquiries to come to you on WhatsApp. So you are able to do that. And to do that, like I said, you simply come here, put in your product, put it under a category, and then you scroll down here on the product. You come here to the product external link, which is under the product price and stock. So the external link, you put in the link of your WhatsApp, and then you come here and put in the external link button. So in this case, when people come to your website, when people come to the website and when people come to your particular product and they are interested, Mybigorder will be able to send you that particular chat directly. The other thing is still on the dashboard here. So when I come to the dashboard, every person is given a seller ID, which is this one here. So I'll show us. So when you're on the seller ID, we give you a chance to reach out to 2 categories of people through platforms that we've already built. So one of them is this one here. We call it KE Online. So this is our platform. We built it for corporates, for vendors to be able to have their products bought by corporates. So when your target market is corporates, you can either come here under categories and check the category of businesses that can most probably buy your products, and then you can speak to us. You can be able to reach out to them directly. But also, when your profile is here, I'll just give an example of Moriah. So this is a particular business that's listed on this platform. This is a search engine, so you should make sure that your businesses are listed here. And you can do that by registering and then having your dashboard, you attach your Mybigorder seller ID on it. So for example, this is one of the businesses. So when you scroll down here, you'll be able to see all the products that they have on Mybigorder. You'll be able to see all the products that they have on Mybigorder. So with this, it means only from one ID. You simply attach one ID to your shop, which is on this platform. And then everything that you do on Mybigorder, they'll be reflected here. So when your products are here, the good thing is when somebody comes here and they click on a particular product, then it will open your product details on the Mybigorder platform. So that means that now they can just buy from here, from your account there. So what this does is it gives you a chance to be able to reach out to more people, especially corporates who are already within our network. So I'm just going to log into this so that you see how your dashboard on this looks like. So this is, for example, an account. Sorry, I'll just log out. Yeah, so I'll log in here. So what you'll do is just to come here and create an account or create your business, add your business. You can be able to share with you the links. So the advantage for this is your businesses are, you're able to sell on this platform for free. We don't charge you for that. So this is how your account looks like when you create an account on KE Online. So we give you a chance to be able to tap into all these 155,000 businesses that are on this platform, 133,000 businesses that are on this platform. So what you do once you're there is you simply come here and say link show, and then it will ask you select the business that you've already claimed. You select it, for example, that, and then you put in the ID, your business, your seller ID. So your seller ID is your ID from Mybigorder. This one here is your seller ID. So that seller ID, you put it on KE Online. And then number 3, we also give you a platform that you can use again to target individuals. That is, if your products are targeting individuals, then for free, you're able to come to this platform that we've also built for sellers. It's called Pulsity. It's a social media platform. So just like you always go to Facebook and update your profiles, update your products there. So we are saying on this platform, you don't need to, in all these platforms, you don't need to create an account. You don't need to upload your products afresh. Okay. So you don't need to upload afresh. You simply come here to My Pages and then create a page, just like you'd have a Facebook page. So once you've created a page, then you simply come and click on Add Seller ID. And then you put in the seller ID, which you'll find from Mybigorder seller ID part here. So the question is now, what happens, or what kind of value are we giving to all these customers, all these people who are on Mybigorder? So we give you a chance to be able to sell to corporates, which is through the KE Online, by simply adding one seller ID. And then every time you update any product, or every time you update details about pricing about your products, then automatically they are reflected in all these other channels. They are reflected on the KE Online, which is this platform here under your account. They are also reflected on the Pearl City platform, again, under your account. Then now, that's something that's new. That's something that's new because it means all the sellers who will be selling on our platform for free, they are now able to have their products displayed on all the other platforms that we have. But now the question is, what next after that? After you've already added your product to Pearl City, which is for free, you've also added your products to KE Online, which is a platform that you use for freely targeting. Then what really happens if we say that you don't need to update any other thing because you simply add a seller ID? So what we've implemented is we've made it such that any sales that comes from all those platforms that you already attach your account to, they all come to one mobile app or on your backend, on your Mybigorder backend here. So that means sellers simply need to download one app. That is the Mybigorder seller app. Once you've downloaded that app, then you can forget about everything, forget about KE Online. What we will be doing is we'll be delivering for you all the communications, all the sales, all the inventories. You'll be able to manage them directly now from one seller app. So that means there is some kind of convenience for you because now you don't need to manage so many shops looking for which ones have leads for you and which ones don't have leads for you. The other thing that we've done, which is new, is we made it such that you're able to sell now both products and services. And always selling services online can be difficult. So we put already parameters that can be able to help you to fully customize a service and then upload it online for users to see it. The other thing that we've also done is, like I've said, the mobile app, which allows you to receive all your leads and inquiries from one place. Then now the question is, what is our business model now? So our business model, because we allow you to change the shop, but that you can now just share with people the shop link, your shop's link, and then you can change if you want them to buy the product directly from our platform, or if you want them to just come to the platform and then put in put in the link for their WhatsApp so that they can receive the orders directly. So you can still choose that. So what we've done is we've put the products now so that we don't charge you on commissions, but we charge you on the based on packages. So we have different packages that we give, and there are some people who already have their packages have been running on the free. You can be able to speak to us, you see what we can do on the same, but now free would be able to give you 30 days for 5 products for everyone, and then 20 products would give you 500 shillings in a month, and then the product give you 1,000 like that. So you can be able to go for that option. What it then means is that now we as Pearl City, for every payments that you make, now we have a chance to help you promote your products. So to help you promote the products, we've already engaged a team that we call affiliates. These ones here, they register here, but also we have in every county, every constituency, and in every ward. So what happens is now with these people, we've already trained them on digital marketing, and they're now able to pick your product and help you to sell as they earn from it. So with that, we believe that now a seller who is selling on our platform would be able to sell more, but also conveniently, he loads only mobile app. How about if you have products maybe on your website or you have on another platform and you don't want to continue editing them, you just want to update them on one place, you can speak to us so that we see if you're able to create it such that any of you can only access, you can just access them from one mobile app on your phone. So that marks the end of the training for today. So maybe I'll allow us to ask questions just in case you have a question, and then I can be able to respond to them.
Hello.
Hi, Alan.
Yes. Okay. So I need just a bit of clarification on the commission part of it. You said the business model does not include any sort of commission, but you charge based on packages. So the packages themselves, is it specifically only for the amount of the quantity of product uploads, or is there any stipulation that I haven't figured out yet that through this conversation?
Okay. So the packages are based on the number of products you upload. If you have 5 products only, it means you'd be selling on our platform for free. So we don't take a commission, and that's why we allow you also to change the link. If you want the leads to come, if you want all the inquiries to come through to your WhatsApp number directly, you can be able to change it so that it doesn't come like a page. It doesn't come like an order, but it's a chat that is sent to your phone. Then you can now deal with it directly.
Okay, that makes sense. And another thing that I was wanting to ask is, what about the fulfillment? How do you handle fulfillment on your end?
So what we've done is we've partnered in case, if you have for now we are giving you the lead completely. We are actually handling it as a lead. But if it comes, somebody would like to go through us, then we already have the delivery guys who we partnered with that will be able to do the delivery.
Okay.
Yeah, but for now you make a decision. If you don't want Mybigorder to be involved in your clients, you want to deal with them directly, then you simply allow them to chat you directly on your product.
Okay, that's fantastic. And another thing that I wanted clarification on is the affiliate part of it. How do you usually ensure the affiliates are in a proper position to bring more leads to the business?
So we start by asking you, and I would like to ask you, by the way, just give me your home area, your ward, the ward where you come from, just to show us how extensive we've gone with the affiliates who we've trained. Which is your ward? Ocha.
Oh, Ocha. My ward, kumbuka ward kweli, but I can say.
Or constituency or county.
Ward. Oh, county, Kakamega County. You can start there.
Yeah. So, for example, in Kakamega. So we already have a team who we've trained from Kakamega. So the whole county for now, we have 4 digital marketers at the county level. So what we just do, and then there's a constituency called Likuyani. We have this person, and then we have again people at the wards. So what it means is, what you'll do is you just tell us. For some of you, you have products that there's like you may want a mass market or a bigger marketing strategy role for you. So what we can do in such a case is to work with you such that we are able to stage this, because in them we also have influencers. So we are saying, as Mybigorder, we want to push the lead to you. We don't want to, initially we were taking the lead, so we would spend more time with them because we are trying also to make a commission from them. But now we are saying we are pushing the lead to you so that we have more time to bring more people and to train more people also to spend for you. Yeah.
Enough knowledge at least to explain to my colleagues how this works.
Thank you. Any other question? Thank you, Alan. Creighton Home Appliances, if you can hear me. Any question? Beyond Glamour. I'll see people I know here. Decibel, any question? Anyone?
No question as at now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Silent
you.
means consent.
Thank you. So I'm just going to give us a wrap up of what I was talking about without sharing my screen. Yeah, so we are saying that Mybigorder, we've revamped the platform by looking at some of the key things and pain points that we see exist in the market. And that is where, for example, online platforms would like to retain the contacts of the customer. And then at the end of it, they end up selling cheaper or selling at low prices. And then you end up, you can't make profits that you need for running your business. So what we've done is we've decided to break that barrier by allowing you to speak to your customer directly through any mode that you prefer. So if for any reason you'd like them to, for any reason you'd like us to hold the sales, hold for you the cart, like allow the client to do the real purchasing on our platform, then you simply leave the button for add to cart and online show and the cart. You simply leave them. But if you like to take over completely every aspect of the inquiry that the customer have, that is, you like a certain link. Maybe you want to refer them to your website, or you like to send them to your WhatsApp link directly, then you are able to do that by simply changing from the add to cart button and putting in your own custom button on the platform. What it means, therefore, is that you have the liberty to sell from whichever place. So that's one. The second thing that we've introduced is the ability for you to sell products and also sell services. So there's a link for services and there is also a link for the products. The third thing that we've been able to do is we've created one API, which you take your seller ID and then you load it on you load it on our platform that targets on corporates or companies, that is keonline.biz. So once you go to keonline.biz, you make sure that your business is added on it. And then you'll have a dashboard. From this dashboard, it will ask you for your seller ID. Take your seller ID from Mybigorder and then add it on your dashboard for that particular business. So what will happen next is that your profile on KE Online, which is visible for corporates, will tag all your products and all your inventory that is on the Mybigorder platform. They'll all be shown on the KE Online. Why that's important is because now your products are able to target corporates or companies. For those whose target market is companies. Then we've gone ahead and there we are looking at 150,000 companies that are already on that platform. So we've gone ahead and also done the same with another platform that we've done called pulsecity.com. It's a social media website. It's just like Facebook or Twitter. So we are saying because you are always busy, you may want more avenues to sell your products. So unlike Facebook, where you have to go to Facebook and then creating your Facebook account, and then you have to upload again your products one by one, Mybigorder comes in to only allow you to give you only one API, which is your seller ID. You simply go create your account on pulsecity.com, that is create your business account as a page. And then under each page, you add your ID. Once you've added your ID, now it means all your products again, they'll be showing on Pulsecity. So by selling on Mybigorder, your products will be sold on Mybigorder. They'll also be sold on Pulsecity, and they'll also be sold on KE Online. So the fourth thing we are bringing is the power of the affiliates where we've recruited people in every ward, every county, and every constituency, and we are training them on digital marketing. So if you have a product that you like to focus more on getting more sales, then you can speak to us so that we engage this team to, on a daily basis, start marketing for you. What will happen when they get a sale? When they get a sale, then for them, they have a link which refers and shows that this person has made a sale. Now, because we know that your business is busy and always you don't have time for checking your Facebook, checking your WhatsApp, it's all a lot of work. And now in our case, checking on Mybigorder every time and checking on Pulse City every time, and then checking on KE Online every time. Now we are saying we've given you one mobile app. So this mobile app is called the Mybigorder Seller app. So this seller app, you simply check it, and then now you manage, everything comes to just one seller app. So that means from day one, you upload your products, and then going forward, you only need one app. So every lead that comes, we'll be sending you an SMS, and then you check on the app. Then now you can process it. So that's how the platform works. We'll be able to share with us a number of materials that we can follow through. We'll be able to also share with us a number of videos that you can use to learn through. And then we'll see. We wish you all the best with your marketing. And just in case somebody would like to get tools, we are also looking at how we are able to use the database that we have, especially for those who are targeting corporates, so that you can reach out to them for your products. So for that, we've just innovated a tool called WhatsApp Blaster, which is a tool you can use for reaching out to your customers through WhatsApp. Yeah, through the WhatsApp interface. So I think that's it for today, unless there's a question for me. But otherwise, guys, we really appreciate. And we are also happy that this is the first lot we are showing this to. And we're also happy that now you have full control over your business. So the recording has been done, and we'll be able to share it with us. Otherwise, unless there's a question. One, yes, any question? Okay, guys, let's stop it there. We'll share this. We'll be having more forums like this, and I wish us all the best. Thank you.
Hello, I have a question. Yes, I wanted yes, I had a question on, aside from KE Online, the Pulse City and affiliates, do you also do Google and any type of Google marketing?
Yes, we do marketing for certain there are packages that if you buy for your products, will mean we market for you. We do for you the marketing. So that starts from the platinum and diamond. Anyone who subscribes for platinum and diamond, your stores will be promoted on Google Ads.
Oh, on Google Ads, platinum and diamond. Okay. Okay, that's okay. That's a bit clear now.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome.
Thanks, guys. All the best. Okay.